All right, welcome back. Guys, this is methods of separating mixtures. So this is covered on the test. We will be doing a couple of these in class at different points in time, so you just need to kind of know what they are. What I'd like for you to do for this video is I'd like for you just to write the title, Methods of Separating Mixtures. Give me the name of the mixtures of the separation technique, and just jot down a few ideas of how it's used. Okay, so here are the different types that we have. We have a magnet, filter, decanting, evaporation, centrifuge, and distillation. Okay, magnet. Let me see what I got here. Okay. So a magnet is used to separate metals from other metals. Only a certain few metals are actually magnetic and will easily separate from if you have a lot of sand or something, or a lot of elements in there and you want to just get your metals out. Filtration we'll talk about here. I'll go ahead and do this one real quick. Filtration separates a liquid from a solid. So just give me, what does it do? If we have muddy water, we can separate the mud from the water. And if you notice right in here, it catches all, we usually put paper in here and we catch all the solid particles up here, all the liquid drains through. So here's another view of it. So we have filter paper, and we do this in class sometimes where we put filter paper. We pour our substances in here, our solutions, our mixtures. The solid particles get trapped, and only thing that's left is water at the bottom. All right. We can also evaporate. So we can evaporate all the water out of it, heat up a solution, and let's see if this is, let me get my pen working again. Okay, so this is, we heat up the solution, and then it evaporates out here. I don't know why my pen's not working tonight. So Hero's fountain is another way we can use for distillation. You have a long spout that condenses all the vapors because they're cooling down, and then we get the liquid out of it. We have this apparatus. We're not going to be using this in class much, but if you ever go to chemistry and organic chemistry in college, this we use a lot in college level classes. You heat up the substance, it makes a vapor, a gas, you put the gas travels down this tube. You have water running through this glass tube here. It cools the vapor down, the gases down, and we end up with pure liquid over here. All the solids get left over here. This is steam driven, same idea as the last one. Distillation. Salt remains after the water is boiled off, kind of the same idea. No chemical change occurs because we end up with salt and water, and we can put it back together and it's still salt water. Okay. We can use filtration to get the sand and salt out. Okay. Centrifuge. Spin it real fast. This is how we get the blood separated. Let's go back. And here's the blood. Spin it really, really fast in a centrifuge. You get serum and you get red blood cells. You keep doing it. You get more plasma at the bottom, and your some other materials up at the top. Okay. This is how they do blood work. All right, water molecules. In class, we talked about this. This is not a physical separation technique. It's a chemical separation technique. The decomposition of two water molecules. This is why molecules and compounds, pure substances, cannot be separated by physical means. Okay, we have to run an electrical current through here, and we have oxygen, and we have hydrogen that gets pulled out after we take the water. We run electrical current through it. It separates the two oxygens and hydrogen, because remember, electrical current has a positive and negative, so does the oxygen and the hydrogen. Okay, these are diatomic molecules. That's why when I said if they have the same color in the little diagrams, they're going to be elements, because here's your oxygen and here is your hydrogen. Okay, so this is called electrolysis because we use electricity to split the molecules. Okay, and you must have a catalyst to conduct an acid catalyst to conduct electricity. All right, I want you to take this last slide and I want you to bring these to class. List 7 examples of physical properties. Name 3 processes that are used to separate mixtures. That's the beginning of the slide, not the electrolysis, because electrolysis is a chemical process. Explain why sharpening a pencil is an example of a physical change, and what allows a mixture to be separated by distillation. What has to be done to make it distilled? And think about why we have distilled water. What are we going to do to get that water just pure water? I'll give you a hint. It has to do with boiling. Okay? All right, guys, bring this to class. Have a good day. Have a good night.